Hey guys, it's Wes, not your normal miner here. Today I got a fun one for you. This is another episode of the Worker Work series. If you guys are new to the channel, Worker Work series is basically the day-to-day life of a GPU farmer. I'm an Ethereum miner. We're out here at the GPU mining farm. Just wanted to show you guys a little bit about what we've been up to today. As always, a huge shout out, thank you to you, the community, for having us in your home. So in this episode of Worker Works, we're going to show you a little bit of things that we've been moving around. We've been moving things around for power distribution. As we've shown you before, we are planning on turning the 7 and 8 GPU workers into rows like this. We had our temporary area here, and as you can see, I have been real busy. Us and the team have been real busy doing some things today. So huge shout out, thank you to the team as well. Thank you guys for having us. Huge shout out to the team out here. You guys do amazing work. I'm having a lot of fun working with you guys. But there used to be kind of a temporary row right here. Back to this back section, and guys, don't beat us up. This is temporary. We're getting ready to get this all squared up as well. But there used to be a row back here, kind of to get into. Well, we got that all switched. So you can see here we've been moving the 13 GPU workers out of here. Reason that we're moving the 13 GPU workers out of this section is I'm going to start moving rows 13, 12, 11, and 10 into here. Once I get all these nice and filled, we will start to turn these racks like this, and we will start to move the 13 GPU workers out there. Holy cow, lots of stuff going on, guys. As always, guys, if you're new to the channel, this is a good time to hit that subscription icon. If you like these videos, comment down below, give us a thumbs up so other people can see these kinds of things. Also, one of the things I want to show you, we've been working on getting these 7 GPU workers. So these are all permanent. This is their permanent homes. What you can see is a hodgepodge, a squirrel's nest of cabling. Well, now that we've got these all moved, we're going to be able to put a patch panel box, server box up there, 12 or 8 U, I believe. Team member said we're going to put that up there. And then we can start to do all of this cabling the right way. Can't wait to show you guys that. Same thing over here. Once I get this area filled in with all those 7 and 8 GPU workers, we got the box up there. We're going to start doing all sorts of networking. Can't wait to show you guys. This will be another episode of Worker Work. Having a lot of fun out here. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think about this. But yeah, so we're taking the 13 GPU workers and we're going to have rows, all the rows there. That's going to help with power distribution as well as heat removal. We did have some 7 and 8 GPU workers down in this row. Probably 18 or 19 of them. We've got that all filled in with 13 GPU workers. Wow, busy day out here. Like I said, huge shout out to the team. Huge shout out to the team members that aren't here. Thank you guys for having us. We are on HIVEOS. Currently, huge things, great things happening from HIVEOS, switching from HIVEOS. So anyone in the HIVEOS community, love to talk with you guys directly. Love to talk with you guys about our story out here at the GPU mining farm. Maybe we can't get something going for that. Also, if you are a hardware manufacturer, if you've got those Ethereum ASICs, love to talk with you. Zotac, AMD, NVIDIA, any GPU producer, I'd love to talk with you as well. As you can see, we got room, we got racks on racks, we got rooms out here. I know hardware is hard to find, but with this episode of Worker Work, just kind of wanted to show you guys what we've been doing. Tell you what, this new cart is a lifesaver. Trips back and forth. But we got this whole section here filled in with those 7 and 8 GPU workers. In the next episode of Worker Work that we show you, we're gonna have this whole section filled in. And once that is all nice and filled in, all this section right here is nice and filled in with those, then we're gonna start doing some permanent networking. Then we gotta do all that back there, get all these 13 GPU workers there, and just to flip-flop back and forth. All sorts of other fun stuff here, you guys. We are going to be putting out our how-to series, a full 100% how-to series. It'll be like 10 or 11 parts for building a GPU mining rig. We've got lots of new people subscribing to the channel. I really appreciate that. Some other things coming down the pipeline, can't quite fill you in on, but we can't wait to show you. But You know, we're gonna have a separate video for like motherboards, power supplies, risers, CPUs, frames, every specific part of a mining frame. We're gonna have videos on that, and then we're even gonna culminate that with a live stream building of a GPU mining rig. That's right, so we can't wait to do that. But wrapping up on this episode of Worker Work, just been showing you kind of some of the things that we've been moving here in phase one. This is totally different than the farm tour video in the last episode of Worker Works that we just showed you. So things are changing daily. Fun stuff. Huge thank you to everyone over in Discord. In the description down below, we got links to Discord and Twitter. Those are a couple good places to follow us. As always, huge shout out to Doge Lord Apparel. Love the gear. Can't wait for all the stuff in the pipeline. Crypto and Hot Rods Nemesis, what's up? Hey, huge shout out to everyone over the Brandon Coin Discord. You moderators are you guys rock my socks off. Thank you for the community as well. In the description down below, we got links to some community members, crypto community friends as well. You guys need to take a look at those. But as always, guys, do your own research. You guys know that. But wrapping things up with Worker Work, next time you see us in this Worker Work series, we got some serious moving to do. Can't wait to do it. My name is Wes. I'm not your normal miner. Thanks, guys.